Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we're going to be continuing on and kind of wrapping up. I left one little thing hanging out there. We need to look at a complex multi-sort. What happens if we want one direction going in reverse and we want it going in ascending and then another in descending order. So if you're new here, thanks for joining us. This is what we do. We do micro videos. We do one video upon another. So, all right, where we looked last time is we had a list of lists, and it just spit out where we had it. And then what we did is we sorted it. We did it in ascending order. We started out with our second position, our second index, index 1, our second position, then index 2, our third position, and then last but not least, our first position, our 0 index. Well, what happens if we wanted to do in descending order, and I wanted my position here, I wanted this basically in reverse, but then I wanted alphabetical order in ascending, and then the last, I didn't care. So we need to look and see how to do that. So let's just go ahead and get started. So we're going to utilize, let me get my notes up here. So we're going to build a function, multi-sort. Then we're going to pass it a list. Now, here's where it gets a little dicey. What happens if you only want to sort one of them? Then what happens if the next time you want to sort 2 of them? Or now you have a list of lists and the contents are 4. So what do we know how to handle that? We're going to pass in args. We're just going to call this specs. And the reason why we do this, if you have not seen, if this is the first time you're seeing this, this is the args notation. And it is, I don't know how many we could have. We could have 1, we could have 1,000. But this is going to be multiple. It's going to be at least 1, and we don't know how many. So be prepared for it. It is telling Python this is not a specific amount. I need you to turn this into a list and iterate over it. That's what that means. So we're going to go for key in reverse, in reversed, okay, then specs. And we'll go over what we're doing here. Then L.sort. So now we're going to do it on each. We're not going to use sorted. We're going to use sort on each list because each list might be different. Then we're going to pass in our key. Now this is where it gets fun. Now we still are going to use our item getter. So it's item getter. Then pass in the key right here, which is the spec. And I'll show you how we're going to pass this. Then reversed. Now reverse is reverse. All right. Close that out. Then return L. All right. So now watch this. All right, so I'm going to put this into memory, and I still get the same, lo and behold. But now what we're going to do is, all right, so we're going to call our multi-sort. All right, so then we're going to pass in our list data. Then, now, all right, so now we're going to pass in our key. So we don't have to do all this. We're just literally going to pass in which argument, which index, and then if we want it to be reverse, we're going to do true, and then reversed false. So, all right. So we're going to go by our index 1, and I want this reversed. So I want it in descending. Then I want to go by 0, index 0, and I want that. Aha, here we go. So now I go by largest, smallest, then so on and so forth. So I'm starting here, and then so I have descending, then ascending. And this is how you can do it with the very simple tools that we have before us. So there we go, guys. Real quick video. Thought that this would sum up our sorting lists of lists and complex sorts and things like that. So absolutely, please make sure you stay in tune until the end. Check these videos out. Please drop any comments, questions, video requests. Make sure you're hitting that subscribe button, notification bell. Give this video a thumbs up for me. And as always, guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys.
Hey, guys. Thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye, guys.